Hey guys, welcome back to the show. If you guys are new, this is the Daily Social Podcast where we talk about tech, entrepreneurship, and more. So if you guys want to know more about business, tech, and entrepreneurship and how to be your own boss, hit that subscribe button, and click the notification bell to know when we upload and for you to take a listen. It's an awesome podcast and hope you can join. Hey guys, what's up? Just a quick update for you guys. Doing very well. A lot of companies doing well, and more you guys need to get on Twitter. Just a quick update for you guys. More people need to be on Twitter and follow us too. We're gonna be posting more there and more content coming soon here on Anchor. And stay tuned for further updates and new announcements coming soon. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Daily Social Podcast. If you guys are new, make sure to click that subscribe button, click the bell to get notified whenever we upload. And we have content when we have new shows for you every Monday. So make sure to subscribe to wherever you guys get your podcasts.